It is one hot day today in Jordan. It's gonna be so hot. We were just waiting for the Uber. It's like 10 minutes away, so yeah, almost here. So we're just chilling for our Uber, and then look what rocks past. Jesus, that is fucking sick. Yo, that shit's crazy. Damn. He just parked up like he fucking knows me. This guy airing out, yeah. Yo, I fucking like this guy. Yo, this guy's cool. I thought he knows me. Yo, shit hard as motherfucker. Damn. Damn. Shit. He's got a Japan plate. Yo, I like you, bro. I like you, bro. I like you. Where you from? Boomer. What's that? Never mind. We're at the stadium again.
It's hotter than yesterday.
It's so hot. But I didn't do an intro for this vlog, so minor. You've seen a nice Porsche, wherever it is. There's some cars rolling past. Jeez. You know you're at Ultrace when you see two B5 RS4s just sitting on trailers. And there's some cars sitting over there. Yeah, we're gonna go to the entrance, because the entrance is over there, and get our tickets. But yeah, this is a nice little walk. Just arrived at the stadium. Look at this, all these cars. Jesus, here we go. Ultrace. Look at that view as well. It's crazy. Just walking through these cars, make sure I don't touch anything. Boom, bro. There is some motors here, old Mercedes and all that. Yeah, we're gonna damn, this is crazy. This is crazy, bro. Look at that. That's so nice, that. Bad boy. I need to cross the road, so these bastards think I'm just filming them. I want to cross the road. Right, let me go. Sweet. See you guys in a sec. Yeah. Before the crowd comes, check this out. The vibes is crazy right now. There's probably some copyright music going on, but bro, setup day, got the music on. Look at it, it's just vibes. Look how many cars there are. This is the best thing about the stadium, is there's so much shade on this side, so no wonder they put it here. Like, yo, these cars are insane. Look at that. Yeah, man, R129 Pip, I think this one is. Sick guy. Jeez. Yo, bro, can you do me a favor? I follow you on Instagram.
Okay.
Can you do the flash?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
You must look. Is it going?
That is so bad, boy. Cars are just rolling in. Bro, this is just vibes, man. Look at this. Crazy. Just bought the SSR, you know, you're gonna roll up tomorrow if you're here. If anyone sees it and they're here in Poland, come rock up SSR. You know, this is what it's looking like right now, bro. This tonight or tomorrow is gonna be crazy. Lexuses, madness, absolute madness. Cars are just like rocking in. Bro, this is crazy. Crazy. So we're just on this part of the stadium. There's so many sick cars here, like, bro, it's just madness. But everyone's like standing around this Mustang. I'm pretty sure it's from America. That thing's crazy. It's insane. Insane. The vibes here are crazy, man. The sun's like behind there as well, so it's nice and like, yeah, So we're just at the corner spot. It's nice and windy now, so chilled out. There's a bag Mustang just chilling, you know, just E36s, M2s here and that. But yo, check this. This is probably one of my favourite at the show. Civic, look at it, on hydros. The wheels just sitting up like this. What a guy. Look at it. There's the wheel on that. So sick. The paint on it's so nice as well. It's just clean and that. Interior, bro. Such a nice Civic. There's me as well, yo, cheese, come on. Yo, madness. Look at it. Check this bit as well. Look. I feel like getting this all done now saves me a little bit for the next day. Like, you guys can see this, like, do you mean, before it all gets crazy. But yo, Jaeger's here, you know, with their cars and that. Sorry. That's cool, you know what I mean? Little lineup. It just sits here like that. So we're at ADBL's stand. This is mad, check this thing. This thing is crazy, bro. Too many sick cars here. There's that Mustang from America as well. Bro, this thing, yeah, madness. Look at that. What? No. Yeah, these men going crazy, you know. That's it. All race is done. Testing out some samples as well. Is it this side? Yeah, you see it. ÖSPTR, you know what it is. Sunglasses. Everything, I don't know what it's called, pack, something bag. But yeah, all race mad. Look at the vibes. I'll see you guys tomorrow sometime. I'm probably going to film a little bit when we go back to the city now, and then that's it, whatnot. But yo, mad day. Haven't even done that many steps and my feet are gone. So feet are gone, that's it. Probably get a few little bits in the city when I'm back. But yeah, tomorrow's been absolute chaos. Yeah, so we'll see.